Hello guys, Let's Mix TV. Nagbabalik na naman. No? Meron tayong pag-aaral ngayong gabi na kanta. Napakadali ang chords at maganda. Classic. No? Ang title ng ating kanta ay I Never Cry by Alice Cooper. Yan. So, para sa mga beginners to, napakadaling kanta. No? So, meron siyang chords na C, at C7 at F minor at D, A minor at D minor. Yan, napaka-easy lang ng chords, no? At masarap pakinggan itong kanta na to. Simple lang at madali siyang sundan. So may ilalagay ako na lyrics at chords dyan, pwede nyo sabayan kung gusto nyo. Yon. Okay, let's start. Yon, intro tayo, tapos verse. So mahaba ang verse nito. Pwede kong putol-putulin siya, baka makapiright. So okay, intro tayo, tapos verse. Verse 1. If there's a tears on my face, make me shiver to the bone. It's just a heartache that caught in my eyes. Ayan, putulin muna natin, baka makapiright. Nag-aabang si copyright. Tuloy tayo. And you know, I never cry, I never cry. Sometimes I drink more than I need, till the TV is letting gone. I may be lonely, but I'm never alone. In the nights may pass me by, but I never cry. Yon yung verse, no? Tuloy tayo sa chorus. Yung chorus niya, simple pa rin yung chords. So, sundan nyo na lang. Take away my eyes. Sometimes I'd rather be blind. Break a heart of stone. Open it up, but don't you leave alone. 'Cause that's all I got to give you. Putol mo na. Believe me, babies and the news. My heart's a virgin, but I've never been tried. And you know, I never cry. And you know, I never cry. Ayan. So, tuloy lang tayo. And you know, I never cry. I never cry. So, instrumental. Tuloy tayo sa instrumental. Pagkatapos ng ad-lib, yung instrumental ay chorus 2. Ayan, sa chorus 2 ay break a heart of stone. Open it up, but don't you leave it Babe, it's even you. Miles of virgin and never been tried. Ayan. And you know I never cry. I never cry. Ayan yung ending. Ayan. Kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, at Let's Mix TV. See you on my next video.